Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to see if my lock in if I'm gonna lock in this game. I already have Doctor Strange. And this is super strong. No one can kill Doctor Strange. Oh no. Oh no. What happened to me? I got cooked. And in my last video, we are on Minecraft. In another video, we're going to see in Roblox. I post very random. I don't post every day. I post on random. I post on random things. I post on random things. If I don't post, I think some of you guys will hate it if I don't post. If I became famous. But I'm not still famous. So please guys help me become famous. Let's see if Doctor Strange can win against the Hulk smash. What's happening? Come on guys, help me. Don't kill me. I'm going to get in this building. Oh no, is that Hulk? Yes, reverse flash did see me coming. Also, it's the Mr. Girl. If I die right here, the video's gonna end. I think it's gonna end real soon now. What do you mean, help, Darkseid? I'm gonna battle you, Hulk. Oh,